Have you ever wondered what makes certain stories stick with you while others fade away? Whether you're crafting a cinematic masterpiece or a quick YouTube video, the secret isn't just in the visuals, it's in the framework you choose and the way you weave everything together. Today, I'm going to show you how you can take your storytelling skills to the next level by choosing the right story frame, selecting impactful sound bites, and using creative tools in a way you've probably never tried before. You ready to make your stories unforgettable? Let's dive back into our storytelling journey. We started by learning how to discover your story's core, then focus on designing a narrative structure. Now, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of crafting your story by choosing the right story frame. If you missed the first two steps, no worries. You can catch up on all these videos right here on my channel. Now, let's get into how to bring your story to life. Before I even start piecing together all the clips I've carefully laid out on my non-linear paper edit, I choose a story frame to guide the narrative. This isn't just about throwing scenes together, it's about sculpting the story with intention. I draw inspiration from the shows I've watched, the movies I've streamed, most importantly, the purpose of the unscripted video I've been asked to create. Here are 6 basic story frames I use to shape each assignment. Number 1, sell a product or service. Perfect for commercials and promotional videos. Number 2, explain something. It's ideal for tutorials or how-tos. Number 3, promote an idea, which is great for advocacy and thought leadership pieces. Number 4, teach a lesson. It's excellent for educational content. Number 5, tell what happened. Best for documentaries or vlogs. Number 6, show and tell. This works well for demonstrations or product reviews. By choosing the right frame, I can make sure each mini movie I produce is narrow and deep rather than shallow and broad. It's all about shaping the story in a way that resonates with my audience. Now let's talk about something that can make or break any story, sound bites. These are the lifeblood of visual storytelling. Used correctly, they construct a path that engages your audience and guides them to where you want them to go. The key to choosing the right sound bites is in understanding their purpose. Sound bites presenting facts frame stories and provide essential context. Sound bites with emotional content express opinions, emotions, and reactions that give the story its heart. By balancing these two types of sound bites, I can take my stories from good to great. The more I use subjective, emotional sound bites, the more I can draw my audience in and keep them engaged. Okay, let's shift gears. Did you know that all the creative influencers you follow on social media have one thing in common? They all create using the same 3 creative brushes: pictures, words, and music. Each creative brush plays a different role. Pictures serve the words and visually represent the narrative. Words tell the story and guide the audience through it. Music sets the tone and enhances the emotional impact. But here's the twist. I don't use these 3 brushes in the traditional top-down order. Instead, I follow a story-first approach and start with words, then add music, and finally layer the pictures on the top. This bottom-up editing style might seem a bit backwards, but trust me, it's a game changer. By laying a solid foundation with words and music, I can easily insert, arrange, and rearrange the visuals to fit the story perfectly. Choose a story frame that fits your narrative, be intentional with your sound bites, and try out my story-first approach with words, music, and then pictures. You ready for the takeaway? If you're ready to transform your videos and tell stories that truly resonate, start experimenting with these techniques today. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on more tips like these. Your support helps me bring more content like this to you. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts. So drop a comment below and let me know which story frame or soundbite technique you're excited to try. And for even more resources and tools to up your storytelling game, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.